Hey everyone, this is Raphael, and in this video I wanted to share with you how to use tags on YouTube the proper way for you to get more searches and to be found on YouTube. Alright, so tags are very important on YouTube. I think they're one of the top 3 ways people are going to see your content on YouTube. I actually talk more about how you can rank your YouTube videos in the video. You can check that annotation right now, but I talk more about how to properly rank. But keywords are one of the most important because that is what people are actually searching for on YouTube for your content. Okay, so you must use the proper tags, and you have to create content for what people are searching for. Okay, and so let me just share with you what I did on a recent video. I just published it about a couple hours ago, and it's about social proof. And essentially what I did is I found other popular videos and I looked at what keywords they're ranking for in hopes that I have similar success to what they have. Okay, and as you can see here, these are some of the keywords, and they're longer tail keywords. You want to rank for longer tail keywords because they're easier to rank for, less competitive, and the volume is less, so you're more likely to stand out from the rest of the competition. Okay, and you have to do that on YouTube because YouTube is very, very competitive, and you want your videos on top ranking for these keywords. Okay guys, so essentially I'm already ranking for some of these keywords here, and yeah, that's great because it's going to get me on top of the searches and it's going to get people seeing my content. Okay, I'm not going to be just left out in YouTube, because I know a lot of people make this mistake of not putting the right keywords, and then they never get found on YouTube. Okay, so this is how I did it, but let me also share with you the Chrome extensions that I use to make this possible. Okay, so I used VidIQ. That's free on the Chrome App Store, and like I mentioned, this is the Chrome extension that allowed me to see what my competitors are doing, and it led me to see what the keywords they're ranking for, and I just use some of the keywords onto my videos, and now I'm hoping that my video is going to rank close to what they are. Okay, but the other way you can also rank or find the right keywords for your videos is just by using plain Google search. Okay, and you just start typing your idea onto Google search. So in this case I did a video on social proof in marketing. Okay, so I came here to YouTube search and I just typed in social proof, and I also have a great Chrome extension that I'm going to share with you. It's called Keywords Everywhere, and this allows me to see how many searches a month this keyword gets. Okay, so that gives me an estimate of the volume of people that are searching for, and if my content is going to be found. Okay, so I'm ranking for social proof and I see that over 2,000 people are searching for this, so my chances of people seeing my content are very likely. Okay, but yeah, you just want to play with this YouTube search here. You can type in social proof and then just keep adding keywords. So social proof marketing, and then there's social proof marketing examples, and the longer the keyword, the less competition the keyword is, and it's easier to rank for. Okay, so yeah, that is just a quick tip I wanted to share with you guys and help you guys with your YouTube channel. I know it's a little tough, but I'm just getting started on YouTube here, and these tricks are definitely going to help you out in the long term. Okay, yeah, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a like and leave a comment. Right, let me know what you think about this video, and if you're going to implement these on your YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you for watching. This is Raphael, and I will see you in the next video.